What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I bring you another special video, the Sunday stock watch list, where I talk about all the stocks that I don't like, all the stocks that I do like, you know, the economic calendar, all the earnings going on, and everything that's really going on with the market that you need to be prepared for. So before we go ahead and get started with this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel. What other stocks am I missing from my watch list? Let's see if you can write your watch list right now and then see if we have anything matching, so that when the video ends, we're either on the same page or not. But if you guys add something that I like that I don't normally have on my watch list, maybe I'll like it and add it to my future watch list. So if you want a clearer picture, make sure you go to Trade Like Nour on Instagram. That's where I post all my trading content. I only have 3 trading accounts, so please don't get scammed. I'll never even message you first, and I'll never ask you for money. Nour Trades, Trade Like Nour, and StockHours. So here's the economic calendar. As you can see, first of all, CPI Monday, Tuesday, we have Raphael speaking Monday, Treasury statement Monday. Wednesday, we have, the Fed chair press conference and the FOMC announcement. You know, I hate those types of weeks. Import and export prices before market opens. Thursday, we have retail sales, a whole bunch of things, jobless claims, business inventories, industrial productions, Fed balance sheet at 4:30. Treasury international capital, and then Friday we have PMI composite flash. I remember last time that actually moved the market, and most importantly, quadruple witching. So that'll be interesting to see what that's about on Friday. Usually you get some volatility on those types of days. So let's go ahead and look at the earnings whisper for this week. We know we have Oracle Monday, which is something I've watched before. Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, nothing. Thursday, Adobe. Other than those two, that's not something that, other than those two stocks, other than those, I don't really watch any of those other stocks. So it's always good to see. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is ES or SPY, whatever you guys are comfortable with. But ES, I'm looking at this 39.12 level. We bounced off of it 3 times here, 4 times about. If we come back down and we break through that, my support is 39.08. After that, and then after that 3900, then we have a whole bunch of room because we've been in this range for a little while here, so it's something to pay attention to. It'll look the same on SPY if I do this. Give me 1 second. SPY and ES, it's just whatever you're comfortable with. As far as what it is on, SPY, it's like 390, right? So I'm watching ES. I like to chart ES. I like bigger numbers. Everybody has their preference. I like ES. SPY is the same thing here, but ES, I'm watching 39.12, so that's something to pay attention for me as far as the general market. As far as stocks, the first thing I'm going to talk about is Netflix from last week. That was absolutely insane. I talked about this last Sunday stock watch list. This ended up filling the full gap at the 330 level, which is crazy. I think we have a little bit more room, but other than that, it's filled basically 99% of that gap from a low, or from the beginning of this gap being at 250. So it's pretty insane that Netflix even pulled that type of move. People are watching the top side of Netflix. I'm kind of done with it. Netflix comes and goes as far as activity. But yeah, first thing I'm looking at other than that is Amazon. Let me put this on the 1 hour for you guys. So 1 hour here, I'm watching this downside on Amazon. It didn't seem to push with the market on Friday. Everything kind of pushed in the market and then pulled back a little bit, but Amazon didn't really do any of that. It kind of just stayed in its area. I'm looking at the downside, seeing if this can pull some weakness ahead of the market. I mean, I'm watching this 87 level, but the next important level I'm watching on this is 85, 87. And then 85, and then after that this has a whole bunch of room to the downside. I believe this is like the low here. Yeah, 85. So we'll see how far. We do have this trend on the 1 year we need to worry about. Same thing that we had on Netflix. It does respect it, so we'll see. But the bottom of this trend is $83.11. It'll, as the days and weeks go on, that trend will be lower and lower. So we'll see how that goes. Apple's something that I'm also paying attention to. It's just showing some weakness. I'm not sure why, but you guys can see in this area it just seems to find some support, which is the 140. I'm looking at this level. If we can break 140 to the downside, I'm looking to see if we can come down to this trend, which is about 137. It says 136.71, but Apple's a slower mover. I'm not going to look to hold for too long on these moves. but Apple does pay nicely if you get the move that you want. So Apple, Amazon, we talked about SPY/ES. One more thing that people are looking at, Tesla. I'm not too interested in Tesla, but I will talk about BABA just in case we do come up on the 1 hour trend. We have this uptrend that it's respecting. Obviously, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4 times it's bounced off of. And then the top side we have this, but I'm more concerned about this flat top at 95. If we can, BABA moves without the market most of the time. So yes, we may, BABA may do its own thing, but when BABA actually gets its nice move, for example, like look at these moves from 85 all the way up to 91. When BABA gets a move, it's worth it. So I am watching this flat top at 95. We can break 95 to the upside. I'll be watching 98, then 100. So we'll see if we get that. It may not happen this week, but I always like to mention things just in case they happen. You do need to worry about the Fed meeting this week. Usually when that happens, you get a whole bunch of consolidation and choppy. If you've learned your lesson previously as far as trading during FOMC announcements, please don't be making the same mistakes this week. But that's about it. I kept my watch list pretty short and simple. Not too much to go off of since last week was insane. If you guys didn't know, I had like over 11 signals and we did like over 250% returns. It was so sick. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn the alert on, because I only have a small watch list, and the rest of the week I'll be posting anything that comes to mind or anything that develops throughout the week. I've been posting on Twitter a lot and Instagram, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other things you want to see on this channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.